Hey lovelies, Jennifer here from Her Crown. Welcome to my channel. In my last video, I showed you a step-by-step guide on how to make this extremely potent Ayurvedic hair growth oil for triple hair growth. And I am so glad you enjoyed the video. If you haven't watched it, the link is in the description and pinned to the comments. In making the video, I realized that you may not know how to incorporate this oil into your hair care routine. So here are 3 effective ways to incorporate the Ayurvedic growth oil into your hair regimen. The very first way is to use it as a pre-poo. Now, a pre-poo is a really important step in your wash day routine because it helps to hydrate and moisturize your hair and prevent it from getting extremely dry and brittle after the shampoo stage. It helps as a first stage of nutrient replenishment after a period of not caring for your hair. It also helps to safely detangle your hair, prevent breakage, and in turn promote length retention. So this is how I apply it. I section my hair into 4 manageable sections for ease of application and detangling. Then I mix my concoction, or as I like to call it, my perfect detangling product with a lot of sleep, because once I'm done mixing this will detangle my hair easily. It's a combination of the Ayurvedic hair oil, warm water, and conditioner. So I mix it all together, and this is exactly how it looks once I'm done mixing it together. So I apply it all over my strands. I carefully finger detangle my hair to remove obvious knots and tangles, and then I finish the detangling process with a comb and a tangle teaser. And once I'm done with this section, I'm going to repeat this throughout my hair. So once I'm done with this process, I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes before shampooing my hair. So hey lovelies, did you know that 93% of you lovelies watching my videos are not subscribed? Please subscribe to my channel, as it would encourage me to keep putting out valuable content. Thank you. Alright, so the next way I incorporate this Ayurvedic hair oil is to use it as a deep conditioning treatment. And I do it by mixing my deep conditioner and the Ayurvedic hair oil, and I use a heat cap to ensure that this treatment is effectively infused into my hair. So this is just me showing you myself on the heat cap. Conditioning my hair after shampooing is so important because it helps me to completely restore the moisture lost in the shampoo process. Now, the potency of the Ayurvedic hair oil together with the deep conditioner would help to strengthen my hair strands, cleanse my hair further, increase hair density, moisturize my hair, and make it totally manageable, because for the next few days, trust me, I'm not going to be moisturizing my hair again. So this is why I always do this. Now, once I was done letting the deep conditioning treatment infuse for 30 minutes, I rinsed it off, as you can see in the clip. I use the Ayurvedic hair oil next as a scalp oil, and this is where the magic happens. So after rinsing off the deep conditioner, I oil my scalp with the Ayurvedic growth oil and I massage it in. This helps to treat all types of scalp issues like dryness, inflammation, dandruff, and the list goes on. It also helps to promote hair growth, blood circulation into the scalp. It helps to treat alopecia. It helps the hair density, and the list goes on. I would include all the benefits of every single herb I use to make the oil in the description and in the comment section below, so that you can know what you're getting your hands into. Alright guys, so with that being said, I would like to say that if you have further videos that you want me to do for you, make sure you comment down below. Please share this video with someone you know would like it. Remember that the way I made this oil is already done and it's in the description and the comments, I mean the link. So check it out, and thank you so very much for watching this video. I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye guys.